Wait, coming. First, remove your shoes now.
I'm small, no. But I took this one.
Okay, stop fighting now.
I took this small. Let me play first. Okay. I'll help you.
Okay, now go wash your face, change your dress. You have to go to your tuitions also. Meanwhile, I'll prepare something to eat.
I want Maggie. I want Kesri bath.
Always Maggie, Kesri bath. Today I'll make only Maggie. Okay?
Okay.
Your Maggie is ready.
What happened to you first?
You go.
Where should I go? To Bombay?
Yeah.
You go. You eat.
I'm eating. We should go to tuition now.
Hi. So, how was the day? Oh, great.
Dad, 1 minute, I forgot something.
Oh,
See this?
Mark's report.
Huh. I got 85%.
85%. See, Ganeshan, he's in your class now. He got 95%. Huh? In this lower class only, if you can't get 95%, what will you do when you reach the higher classes? This will not work out. Next time, I need you to get more than 95%. Understood? Understood or no? Tell us.
Yes.
Forget about studies. At least prove yourself in dance. You have never got a prize until now. You know that Sushila's daughter? She's so smart. She comes first in all competitions every time. And that Sushila, she's one big gas bag. She comes to the club and loves to boast all the time.
Why are you both calling Akka? You know that she's good in sports and acting. She's also sports leader. You know that?
You don't support your Rakka, okay? Sports will not help. You have to get good marks. Understood? I'm not telling to her. Even for you, both go steady, get good marks. Understood?
Okay, I have to finish my cooking.
Now you both go inside.
Come, Akka, let's go.
जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी माँ, ओ माँ। जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी। एक छोटी सी भूख से तेरी सभी दर्द मेरे होते। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए।
Harshita, come, let's play. No, I'm not in a mood. Why? What happened? I got 85%. Then also they scolded me.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
My parents are forcing me to become a doctor, but I just can't see blood. Then how can I become a doctor? I want to become an architect, and my parents are supporting me a lot.
My parents want me to become a model and an actor, but I want to become an astronaut.
I want to become a dancer, but I don't think so my parents would support me.
It was so tiring day today, no?
Mom, Dad, guess what?
What?
Our competitions are going to start next week.
Really? What competition?
Dance and quiz.
Oh, dance. This time make sure you get first place, okay? I will see how that Sushila will come and boast of.
But
No buts, okay? Come, sit here. This time you have to join in quiz competition and you have to get first prize. Understood? Whatever book you want, CDs you want, you ask me. Just prepare and you have to get first prize. Then I can tell my daughter is most intelligent girl. Understood now? So start preparing right now. Understood? Yeah.
but the competition is not for me or Mohana. It's your parents.
Parents?
Dad, I have given your name for dance. And you for quiz.
But
No, but. You should get first prize, that's all. You dance very well. Then I can say my friends that my dad is a dancer. No?
Okay. You know, in my college days, I used to get first prize. You know that?
Mom, you should also get first prize, Mom.
Oh, quiz only, no. Don't worry. I can participate in that Kaun Banega Crorepati also. Okay, we'll do it.
Yes.
Which is the tallest mountain on earth?
How can I help you, sir?
Can I meet dance master?
Sorry, sir, we don't allow any sales representative inside.
No, sir. Actually, I want to meet dance master regarding some dance class.
Oh, sorry, sir. Please come.
Hello, sir.
Tallest mountain on earth, Himalaya.
Please seated, sir. I'll call dance master.
सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला लव होता है जो लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव इश्क वाला लव हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव मेरी नींद जैसे पहली बार टूटी है आंखें मल के मैंने देखी है सुबह हुई धूप ज्यादा लेके तेरी रोशनी दिन चढ़ा
What is H2O? H2O. What is H2O?
Let's go. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Dangerous. Put 'em up, put 'em up. 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 Put 'em up, come on. Fresh cheese, speaker box. We done blow. Liquor lax in the docks. Soon age you done know. Know that all up. Ride this team go on your marks. Ready, ready, set, let's go. Yep, you know what time it is. Showtime. Get up on the floor, cause it's your time. Step up to the crew who want your shine. Oh my, showing the way, just get your line. Like, yeah, you heard what I said, right? If they wanna battle, better make sure they hit right. Never ever rattle every move.
Let me check. Oh, H2 is water. Okay. H2 is only water.
All from the sea, green, you was really so red. It's the
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. How can I help you, sir? Sir, actually, I want to know detail about dance, sir.
Okay. How old is your kid?
Sir, actually, it's for me, sir.
Oh, really? We have got even adults batch, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Then it will be fine.
Okay. We can really start today. We can start from the warm-up.
Who invented electric current?
2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't want none. Be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talking is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sarah, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you. My boy, to me, learn is just
Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday invented the electric current. Okay, I will have to remember this.
We'll start with the basic steps of this. Ready? First, we have got that. Right leg, back to your home.
Thank you. Swagat.
Left, home, opposite hand. Wow, it's confusing.
आज के इस एपिसोड का पहला प्रश्न ये रहा आपके स्क्रीन पर। इनमें से किस व्यक्तित्व को दादा साहब फाल्के और भारत रत्न दोनों पुरस्कार मिला है।
Open and close.
ये है ऑप्शंस आपकी स्क्रीन पर। ए अशोक कुमार, बी सत्यजीत रे, सी शिवाजी गणेशन,
I think it is Shivaji Ganeshan.
Now, open your left leg and right hand has to be straight. Has to be straight. Has to be straight. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now to smile. You can keep your disgusting face.
फाइनल जवाब बताइए।
बी सत्यजीत रे।
कंप्यूटर महाशय, बी सत्यजीत रे पे ताला लगाइए और बताइए कि प्रशांत सही है या नहीं।
It's Shivaji Ganeshan.
कंप्यूटर महाशय, बी सत्यजीत रे पे ताला लगाइए और बताइए कि प्रशांत सही है या नहीं।
The last letter is you have to just cross your leg, jump and spin yourself.
हमारे जो एक्सपर्ट हैं डॉक्टर अजीत राणा जी, उनका ऐसा मानना है कि सी शिवाजी गणेशन होना चाहिए। आप कह रहे हैं बी सत्यजीत रे।
Not like that. You have to just jump. Cross your leg.
12,50,000 जीत गए। बिल्कुल सही उत्तर आपका। well played।
And keep your body straight and spin yourself. Oh!
Oh shit! I am wrong again.
एक और चेक आ रहा है आपके नाम।
Please get up, please get up. The class has got over for the day. Okay.
की प्रशांत, unbelievable।
Let me start preparing.
Big round of applause going, ladies and gentlemen।
Okay. Okay. Please come tomorrow.
मैं अपने आप से घबरा गया हूँ, मुझे ऐ जिंदगी दीवाना कर दे, मुझे ऐ जिंदगी दीवाना कर दे।
Shilpa,
What happened?
damn back pain.
You fell down somewhere or what?
No. Just get some balm or anything, no?
Okay.
मैं अपने आप से घबरा गया हूँ, घबरा गया हूँ, मैं अपने आप से घबरा गया हूँ।
I've got the hot pack.
Wait. Slowly. Why do you want them to get a first prize in dance? It's so difficult, you know.
Why you are putting so much stress on the children that they have to get 95% all the time? Getting 95% is not very easy, you know, to remember everything.
Okay. And I've started preparing for that quiz competition.
Yeah, I have. What about you? You are preparing for your dance.
Dance! Yeah, today I went and joined in dance class. That's why this condition. It's not so easy, no, dancing. So, how you are prepared?
From morning I've been preparing, you know, while cooking, cleaning, Everywhere I'm trying to think. It is so tough to remember the answers.
Don't you think that we are pressurizing too much on kids?
Even I feel the same. We are putting too much pressure on them. We are asking them to do what we want to do.
That's right. I think let them do what they want.
I think you're right.
Where is Harshita and Mona? Call them, no?
Harshita, Mohana, your dad wants to talk to you.
No, when is the competition you said?
Aha! Surprise!
हट जा रे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और लाए अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिस्ट तेरी